Look. When you unzip it, it makes a zipping sound.
John Deerson.
Oh,
A radio-controlled Johnny. Wow.
Who's Johnny?
Wow, look at that. We're going to need help getting that out.
Paul. What? I don't have the scissors anymore.
The scissors are over there.
Radio controlled.
Wow, that's gonna be way fun. For me.
Yeah. Thanks, Sam.
They'll probably be scared of it.
That's cute. I actually love it. Yeah, I think I'll like
Give me
it.
those batteries.
Chase it.
No?
That's what my mom was just telling me, like, chase it.
Something to chase. No,
Yeah.
totally. That's perfect.
Look, you like that, don't you?
That's a good idea.
The second you like something, we take it away. I know.
This is also from
I like that one.
Nana.
What's that say?
Addie, our wonderful blessing.
You're recording, so you can save the sarcasm.
Happy first birthday, grandson. With a sweet and cuddly little one. Hope your day is filled with lots of fun. Aww. You like that,
He
huh?
likes the baby.
I want to eat
No
it.
memory space.
Oh, hi.
No.
My camera has memory space. I'll email him.
Look. This is also from Nana.
Jeez, that's
Ooh, a sweatshirt,
Oh, those are cute.
sweatpants.
You're gonna be so
It matches
bored.
his smell. Every time you unfold something, you put it in front of Addison's face.
A onesie thing. Nice scarf. Another onesie thing.
Nice. Oh, that one's nice. Rugby shirt.
Rugby.
That.
That's a lot of stuff, huh?
It's gonna be really warm in Chicago.
Outfit for a week.
Okay, now we have one more. Lula, and then his thing. Okay. Oh no, it's not Lula. It's Grandpa. Here. Did someone start off with this?
Here.
All around the place.
Thank you, Bert. Whoa! Even more reason for you to hate birthday. Oh, whoa!